All right, so plumbing wise, I want to talk about something here real quick. So just finished swapping out these big hose clamps for small ones. And now we got this one back here. And see, the problem is that that is on this side versus we want to make it so that these are always on the accessible side of the plumbing. So that way, like, this is nice and easy. I can get to this just fine, but I can't get to this one. I'm gonna now have to use either, I can probably bend the actual hose, but it's not in a convenient spot. Same thing with these. We want these to be in a nice convenient spot. That's actually a bad spot. I'd want to take it off and have it here so I'd still be able to access it because it's in a tight spot there. This is good right here. This is good, okay? If it's down, if this was pointed down, this would be a pain in the butt to get to. This is in a nice spot. So just little things, think through these. And again, we want to use as small hose clamp as possible. Even this is probably going to have a really long tail. That's going to be something that our hands can get caught on and tear the skin. So real simple things to change so that you can have a safer environment to work in.